Y'all, welcome to the Cooking Channel. Hey, man, I ain't supposed to be doing a video today, man. Man, my niece and nephews, I told them a long time ago when it was coming up, I say, man, y'all need to learn how to cook. But they want to go out and play video games and do all this other stuff. Now they calling me, talking about Cooking Channel, man. Yeah, young, now you want to learn how to cook something. I said, just go watch the video. Then you know what he told me? I don't even know how to turn the stove on. Oh, my goodness. So I say, I'm going to go back to my roots. When I started Cooking Channel, I was cooking for single men and single women, or single mothers and single fathers. You know what I'm saying? Just simple, basic stuff. You ain't got to go into a whole lot of stuff. So you watching this video now, I'm showing you this one simple recipe. You can't mess this up. Now come in, let me show you what you need to do. Now, get your slow cooker, since you don't know how to cut a stove on. Now, there's going to be pork chops and rice. And this is instant rice. And I hope you know how to boil water. So a couple of bags of instant rice. Now, see, I got some spicy ranch, but you can use original. I got some onions and bell pepper, a can of cream of onions, black pepper, salt, some minced garlic, a half a cup of water, and your pork chops. And we're going to pound it. There we go. Man, the Cooking Channel, man, finna show you how to do it. Simple recipe, easy to follow. Slow cooker can do it. It can take anywhere from 4 to 8 hours, depending on how many times you put it on low. It can take you about 8 hours. On high, you can do it in 4 hours, and it's gonna come out good. Man, wait a minute. What is this cream of shrimp for?
Cooking Channel. You're supposed to be cooking that Seattle gumbo for your mother. Like Kim from Life of This Housewife. Did you remember that I could cook anything? You better ask somebody.
Alright, we're back to the Cooking Channel, man. The easiest recipe in the world to do. Now you better get this down because it's simple. If you don't know this one, I don't know what to tell you. Now come here, let me show you what to do. Check it out. Now, you put your water on, you know what I'm saying? Y'all want to add a little salt in your water when you put your rice in there. Instant rice, so it ain't going to take that long anyway. You can start at the bottom, really, and then just put the rice in there. But I ain't going to put mine on right now. I'm just showing you. Now, half a cup of water. Dump it in there. Now, look at there. You get your bell peppers and get them out of there. There we go. Onion. Get it out of there. All of it out of there. Now, I'm only using a half a pack of that Hidden Valley Ranch season, but put that off in there. Now, just tip of a spoon, your minced garlic, off in there. Now, this is your cream of onions. You want to put it in there. And just like I got all that out of there, I'm finna get all this out of here. Rinse that out. Use everything. Yeah. Even a fork. Rinse that off there too. Now, see, I put a little salt and pepper on these pork chops. You just set them off in there like that. And like one guy said, set it and forget it. I got it on low. Just let it go. Boil your rice. Y'all come back, I'm gonna show you. I ain't have to do really much of nothing. Boil the water. That's it. Set it and forget it. That's what he said. Oh, I ain't gonna take his line. He gonna sue me. Ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Hey, we done finish it now. Hey, I'm telling you, this is the simplest recipe now. Y'all get ready because, you know, there's going to be some more sophisticated stuff coming because we got a couple more videos due for the end of this year. And I'm going to take y'all to another level. But this is from my cousin, so hey, you're watching it. Hey, niece and nephews too. Come here, let me show you this here. Check it out. Now, instant rice. Simple. Hot water, a little salt. And I put just a little butter on them too since they got done. Just get them right. Hey, 4 to 8 hours, depends on how much time you got. And those pork chops are broke down real good into a nice gravy. There we go. Put a little more juice on here. And man, with that ranch in there, since it's mine, I'm gonna eat this here, so I ain't really worried about it. Let me see how this here. Yeah, that's an incredible taste there, y'all. I cooked the pork chops enough to break them down. It's almost like a pork chop gravy. That is so good. Man, hey, you don't know how to, I mean, I can do simple recipes anytime, but you know what I'm saying? I gotta go more sophisticated stuff. I got people been watching me for a while. So I'm just doing this here one video For they know who I'm talking about. But next time, hey, we're gonna break it down and we're finna get down with it right now. Let's do it.